a chicken change of 300,000 Ghana cedis, I am sowing that seed in my life. You too, take a chunk or a little out of your monthly salary or what you have realized and save it and sow a seed by not giving it to me, not giving it to any pastor, not giving it to any spiritual guru, by putting it directly into your own savings account, into your own savings box, and see what happens in the next year. You see that you'll be able to amass a lot of wealth. Peace unto you wherever you are. God bless you and bless you so much. You are highly welcome to a beautiful first quarter of the year 2025. We are in the month of March. Today happens to be the 1st of March 2025. It is a beautiful Saturday evening as I come your way with our initial programs. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that day in and day out, when we upload a new video, you will be the first person to get a notification. Today too, I deem it great and expedient to come your way with our monthly program called 48 Months to Paradise. We are on the 3rd month, which means we are suddenly left with only 45 months for us to complete whatever that we are doing. And within this said program, or the program, it's all about wealth creation by giving you a knowledge about how to save, even though if the money that comes to you is not enough. We must force our way out, navigate the radar, and to be able to put something in our bank account. These and many more that we have been doing on this channel within this particular year. So it's a blessing to have you watching me live. Don't forget, it's my biggest wish that whatever that you have touched in this year shall yield a positive dividend unto you and your loved ones. You shall become successful. You shall become fruitful in whatever endeavor that you have undertaken. Focus is a major key that that plays a pivot role in the man's life. If you see anybody who has become successful, the person was focused. It's not like somebody will allow you to go scot-free, have it on a silver platter. No, life is not all about that. People will launch an attack against you. Sabotage, backbiting in your workplace, your family, both the nuclear and extended family. But in spite of all things, I always tell people that when you don't like me, it doesn't mean that my creator also doesn't like me. That is the reality. When you don't like me, it doesn't mean that my creator doesn't like me. God keeps on blessing me. And every morning when I wake up, what I tell myself is that I am a perfect reflection of the blessings of God. Once I am alive and kicking and the energy of God flows through me, it's a sign that I have a purpose. I have something to accomplish within the day, within the said year. And you are very fortunate. We are in the month of March. We've grown past January, February. We are in March 2025. As usual, we normally do savings. So how much are you saving in the month of March? I am asking you a question. I know things are very difficult. I know you can't even meet up to your expectations. You can't even foot your utility bills, your rental bills, and those kind of things. But in spite of all these life vicissitudes that we go through, the little that comes to us, we must try as much as possible and save. This time, you need to stay low. You need to stay silent in the system. Make people feel like things are not going well for you. And use the money to save. Because people have been eating you up, coming to you for money. And at the end of the day, when you give it to them, they go out there and even chastise you, jeopardize you, and a whole lot. And this time around, your life is at stake. So, the question from me to you is that, how much are you saving? Savings is very important to avoid any future inconveniences and a state of uncertainties. And you know for a fact that life is full of uncertainties. So how well are you preparing your life? How well are you preparing yourself to face all these boisterous movement that is on the way? For the fact that you are alive and kicking, you should expect some of all these things. I am a type that when hardship strikes me on the way, I have to understand that it is part of life. There's the reason why I always get myself prepared. It's because I don't want to fall short in the hands of anybody. I don't want to rely solely on anybody so that when I go to the person will do things to ridicule me, will shame me off. I don't want to experience that. I don't want to invite such uncertainties. I want to get myself prepared. With the little that I can, I know you can't do much because there is too much burden resting on your shoulder. I know it, but you can do it. Trust me, you can do it. There are a lot of people who have done it and they were in the same level of your own. Majority of the people who are enjoying life today, none of them were born, majority of them, they were never born with a golden spoon in their mouth. They started right from the gutters, but being able to navigate their way through this life wisdom, the intricate tapestry of human existence is interwoven with wisdom knowledge. They were able to navigate and locate the wisdom path, and they started saving little by little. When they got their bigger share, the lion's share in life, they invested wisely. So this time around, we are never going to make any mistake. We want to save, we want to make something. So as a leader, I must set an example for you to put your legs in it. So this is the month of March 2025. It's a beautiful year. It's a dragon year. It's a year full of surprises. But your surprise will never be a negative one. Your surprise is going to be a good one. So I am dedicating myself and I am sowing a seed of 300,000. Yes. Last month I sowed 200,000. This time around, I am saving 300,000 because the God that I serve has been good to me. How fast is your God? I believe you're serving the one who created heaven and earth. And because you have allowed yourself for the true Spirit of God to take its course in your life, God will locate you. An angel of money will locate you. No matter how tough life is to you, still you become successful. You will make it. When you get a job and you are being paid on a monthly basis, on a weekly basis, on a daily basis, or an hourly basis, please don't spend all your money. Save some. Yes, save some. Save a little of it. So, excuse me. This is my own. This is 100,000 Ghana cedis each. This is 100,000 Ghana cedis each. So this is 100,000. It's a 200 cedis note. 100,000. Another 100,000. Another 100,000. We are in the month of March 2025. It's just a chicken change. It's just 300,000 Ghana cedis. So you can see clearly that for me to let this money go waste, I know it's a chicken change for somebody. It's a leftover on the table of a rich man or a billionaire. But you see, that's not what I have. So for me to let it go waste, I'd rather put it in my bank account and do a life savings and then later reinvest it. You can, for you to allow it to be in your bank just like that, save it, go to the bank and reinvest it. Buy shares with it. Do whatever that will yield a profit. But don't allow anybody to tell you that they've got a business. And that business, when you invest 300,000, you get 900,000. Don't allow anybody to come to you and deceive you and take the little that you have. Let me tell you, black people are evilly minded. There is no black person that will go and get the secret of wealth and he will come out and disclose it to you just like that. So if anybody comes to you and tell you that they have a business that when you invest 300,000, it will yield 800,000, 1 million Ghana cedis. Don't look so stupid. Go out there and take the little you have saved to go and invest in that firm. These are some of the things that so many banks have used to dupe you people. When the bank comes, they tell you, they promise you a 50% of whatever you deposit, and you think it is of truth. You go out there, take your life savings, and you go to that banking firm and invest. And at the end of the day, they will tell you the bank has collapsed. These things has continued to happen several times. But you people that are living in diaspora, I don't have any issues with you because you have a very solid system. It's a system that is organized to fight crimes. But we, the ones living in African continent, whether you're living in Nigeria, Ghana, wherever you are living, you know that when somebody takes your money, it is not easy to get it back. So don't fall a victim of any circumstances. Save the money, keep it in your money vault, keep it in your savings box for the betterment and to avoid any inconvenience. Go to the bank, a commercial one, the bank that belongs to the nation, and then save it. Save it. You are eligible. You are entitled to open a savings account and put the money in it. More or less, most of you people, you have these mobile wallets and stuff. Maybe if you're afraid of scammers and stuff, just go to the bank and dump it over there to prevent any further inconveniences. So you see, don't live your life just like that. I've always tell you and keep on telling you that you must lead a purposeful life. God has a purpose. God has a purpose. And don't think that in you people, you don't talk about salvation. It's always money. Let me tell you, when you don't have money, how would you be able to go to church? When you don't have money, how would you be able to go to church? You can't foot for your bills. Majority of the happiness that we have in life, money plays about 70% role. God creates, money maintains. When God creates and gives you a beautiful daughter, a beautiful child, you must use the money to maintain the child so that the person will grow and become somebody. School fees, you must take the child to school and stuff. So everything rests on the shoulder of money. Majority of life, beatitudes, the exuberance and everything, it is money that you use in creating it. Money can put joy and laughter in your mouth. Why? Because when a child becomes satisfied, that same child becomes happy. It doesn't care about anything. But once the child wakes up and there's no food on the table, this child will suddenly cry. And all the food that we eat, we use money to buy. So I don't joke with my life. I don't joke with my investment. I don't waste money anyhow. This is just it's a peanut. 300,000 Ghana cedis. I'm going to put it in my account. January 2025, I was able to save 100,000. On the 1st of February, I was able to save 200,000. This time around, I am saving 300,000. It's a sign that I am working towards my life. I know it is not much, but the little that I get, I am adding it. You too, add it. You are a young girl, a young boy, add it. You are below 60 years, add it. Go there, open the coffers, go to the bank, add it. Add it. Yes, I said go and add it. Keep it. Stay mute. Let people see you as things are not going well for you. Be a little bit hard-hearted and keep your money because you are letting things to go waste. And at the end of the day, those you invest it in them, they will come back and never say thank you, but they will come and put their fingers in your nose. They will put their fingers in your eyes and you weep and complain bitterly. So you see, be very tactical and very calculative enough. Don't just sit there and anybody walk to you and tell you, please help me. I am in difficulty. Things are not moving well for me. And the little you have saved in your bank, you go there, withdraw it and give it to these people. It's another strategy, a weapon for the devil to keep a believer poor. The rich people in the society who are the Freemasons, the Illuminati, the Baha'is and the Christians, the Hindus. You can't just go to them and tell them that I'm suffering. Please give me this amount of money and these people will give you. Though it is belief and it is written in scriptures that we as believers, when anybody goes through troubles, we must assist the person. But before you assist anybody, pray to your creator. Because there are people, you help them and in later they become burdened. They will destroy your image, insult the hell out of you. And they will say nasty things about you. And it's like you are evil. Meanwhile, you have supported them with your knowledge, your time, your money. So this time around, 2025, don't make mistakes. We are in the month of March. And today happens to be the 1st of March, which is what? Saturday. Save something. Can you save something? How much are you saving? How much are you saving? All the money that comes to you, you must appropriate a portion. Don't say, hey, I don't have it. My salary is not enough. If it is 50 cedis, leave 10 cedis out of it. If it is $100 that comes to you, save $10 out of it. $10 out of it, save it. Save it. Don't tell anybody about your saving. Keep it a secret. Keep it a secret to yourself. Keep your mouth mute concerning your savings because people are jealous. People are greedy. If you are not careful, when you tell them, they think the money is in your house. They will come and kill you. Me, after this, I'm taking this, my life savings to what? To the bank, straight. And when I go there, I'll buy shares with it. Whatever reputable company that I deem it fit, I'll buy shares with it. So at the end of the month, something little will be added to it. And I'm working hard, I'm striving hard, and I know I'll try and put things in its rightful proportional order and amend things. And at the end of the month, I'll get something little and add it to it. So in the month of March, I am adding 300,000 to it. How much are you adding to your own? The little you are saving, even if it is your own company, open a savings account and save money in it. It is very dangerous for you to save money in the house because of armed robbery, attack, and stuff, or fire outbreak. In case there is a fire outbreak and you are not in the house, it will totally burn. So if you have a money vault, that one, I think it is authenticated for money saving. Or better, go to the bank and save it at a reputable banking firm, not these private bankings that when you put your money there, in due time they'll come back and tell you that the bank has collapsed. No, don't do that. Go to a commercial banking firm and save your money. Or else, life is about what you have created for yourself. It's about the foundation. If you'll be able to stand in the face of adversity, it's all about how prepared you are in life. And you can't tell me you are prepared. Most people are losing it and they are ignorant about certain things because they think they are Christians. And the fact that they are Christians, all what they need is prayers. My dear, you don't need prayers alone. You need money too. Because there are some things, it is only money that can facilitate it. There are some things, it is only money that can do it. So don't sit down and always be speaking in tongues. If you're a prayer warrior and you don't have money, don't think you'll be respected. No matter whom you are, if you're a pastor and you don't have money, nobody will respect you. I'm telling you, today, the authenticity and the genuineness of a man of God is being measured by the wealth you have, the life you have impacted. And how can a poor man impact life? Even when you speak, people will not listen to it. How much more people will come to you? So for you to impact society and life, unless you have it, that is why I've taken myself to educate you and lead you to cross the Red Sea to the next 4 years. We are doing this for 48 months, and this is the 3rd month, which means we are left with only 45 months. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step, and this is a good initiative that when you follow and do it, you're going to be blessed. So this time around, go and look for the ritual that we are doing in the month of March. That's the first quarter. Go and get a communion wine. Pour some into a glass cup and hold your money in the left hands. All the money you are saving, never put it in your right hands. Put it in your left hands, right? Now, you pour some of the wine in a glass cup. Then you make a decree and a pronouncement over it, telling to yourself that, Opatafuor, as we have gotten to the month March, goodness and mercy, favor, grace will locate me and follow me always in life. Long age and prosperity will follow me. All the things that will come into my life and destroy me, cause me pain. Listen to me, cause me pain. That will make me shed tears. That will make me regret. That will make me give up the ghost. I rebuke it and I return it in the name of Jesus. Listen to me. Rebuke any satanic whispering, any satanic voice, any negative pronouncement and thoughts you have programmed in here. Go deep down within your subconscious and the superconscious and reprogram it. Impress upon it a good thought, and you'll become a blessing and a blessing upon blessings unto your generation. So after praying and making good pronouncement over it, you drink it 3 times. 1, then you say it is done. 2, you say it is done. 3, you say it is done. Then the morning, you pray, offer a little prayer over it. Take it to the bank or where you deem it fit that you are saving your money, and keep your mouth mute. You are by drinking that communion wine. It is the blood of Jesus. And by drinking it, you have revitalized your energy. You have renewed your strength physically and spiritually. And so that your soul and spirit within you can attract and direct money towards you. Tell yourself that you believe in the miracles of God. And for this reason, God should cause a miracle in your life. You are expecting your miracle. Stay peace. We are in the month of March 2025. This is a chicken change of 300,000 Ghana cedis. I am sowing that seed in my life. You too, take a chunk or a little out of your monthly salary or what you have realized and save it and sow a seed by not giving it to me, not giving it to any pastor, not giving it to any spiritual guru, by putting it directly into your own savings account, into your own savings box, and see what happens in the next year. You see that you'll be able to amass a lot of wealth Peace unto you wherever you are. God bless you and bless you so much. Share this video. Pick the number on your screen, whether you are a female or a male. Let's be friends. Let's share ideas. Bless you and bless you so much.